What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Damon. I'm back with another episode of Motivated by Damon. Check this out. In this video, I will be telling you how to make it through hard times. Listen. First things first, man. Listen to this shit. You gotta be mentally prepared to go through hard times. You know what I'm saying? Check this out. What I mean by that is you can't expect every single day to go good. You can't live your life with expectations. Like every single day, all year, every day gonna be good. You know what I'm saying? If you have that expectation in your head, you're gonna expect everything to go good, and when it go wrong and when you fall, you're gonna stay down. But if you already prepared for the shit, if you already prepared for some bad shit to happen, like you're gonna bounce back out of this shit, get right back up, keep pushing. Cause what? You was already prepared for the shit to go left. You know what I mean? So that's how you make it through hard times. Like, you know what I mean? You got to be mentally prepared for some shit to go wrong. Us as humans, humanity, we want shit to go right. We want to be happy. We want to, you know what I mean? We want shit to go right every single day, but you got to be prepared for shit to go wrong. You got to think about it like this. A popular phrase once said, you got to pray for the best while expecting the worst. Let me say this shit again. You gotta pray for the best while expecting the worst. Come on now. It's not saying that you should expect the worst and just want some bad shit to happen to you. It's not saying it. It's like, okay, if some bad shit happen, I'm prepared for it. I really mentally figured it out, some shit might go left. So it's like once the shit happened, you're not surprised that, shit went left or bad or whatever you want to call it. You know what I mean? But this how to make it through hard times. You got to be mentally prepared. You got to pray for the best while expecting the worst. You know what I mean? And I don't mean to scare you with this video. I know you like, pray for the best, expect the worst. Bro, I just want to pray for the best and have the best. And I just want the best to happen. Life don't work like that. Life comes with ups and downs and shit. Like, you got to expect shit to be up sometime, down sometime, up, down. Like, you got to expect it. That shit gonna happen regardless. It don't matter how good of a person you is, how bad of a person you is, shit still gonna be up and down. It don't matter. You know what I mean? If this video resonated with you, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below your thoughts on this video. I'm out, man. It's your boy Damon. We live. We on them positive vibes. If you want them negative vibes, slide. Hey, I'm out, man. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Share this video. You know what I mean? Share this video.